Okay, good morning, everyone. So our topic this morning it's about still on POS system. So let's continue and clicking about the sales report. So in sales report, our topic this morning is about the cashier's report. So cashier's report is important so that the manager or the owner of the company or the establishment will know about how much the cashier earn based on the transaction that she have on that day. So one of the characteristics of this POS system is the capability to generate the cashier's report. So it is also required that in every POS system there should be a capability when it comes to generating a cashier's report. So let's click about the cashier's report function of the system. So in cashier's report, all we have to say is about the cashier sales report. So all we have to do is to click this drag down so we can view based on the different cashiers which is registered in this system. So for example, we would like to click on this or we can also use the show all cashiers report. So today, so just only pick up the one user. Okay, so let's princess, then from date, so we can filter in date one. Okay, so July 1 until July, I think this today, so which is July 12. Then time, so we can also filter time. So from, I think, from 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 6 in the morning. Okay, let's filter 6 in the morning. From 6 a.m. To this one to I think let's for example the store to close at exactly 9 p.m. Okay, so we should have to filter this to 9 p.m. Okay, PM. So we click the PM. So when it comes to generating the cashier's report, so first is to select the cashier. Then next is to select date from date. So starting date, then date end, then as well as the beginning time, then end time. No. So from this, so I can so uh, six from six. I think this is from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, so generate reports. So if there is a transaction happen in this particular particular date, so the system can generate reports. Okay, so no records found, so which means the cashier is not using the system. No. Okay, let's proceed to I think Gma. No, Gma then generate. Okay, another user. So this is the generated report based on the system. Okay. So this is the cashier's report. Okay, the total sales of cashier's Jima is 169,202.28. So it is important that uh, the, the cashier can be remit this amount, no, based on the transaction. So based on this report, so the cashier have sales for from July 1 to July 12 about 169,202.28 centavos. So how about if we want to filter day by day? So example, this July 12, okay. So all we have to do is to from date. So we should have to pick up from starting date is July 12, then to this date is July 12 as well. Then the time from is from 0 to 6, then to 9 p.m. Okay, so generate reports. Okay, so the system will generate based on the transaction that this cashier today. Okay, so this is the transaction. So today the cashier have sells about 3,026.75. So the system is generating a cashier's report based on the transaction handled by the cashier within this day. Okay, so that's all for this session. So next is we have to discuss about in the next video is we need to discuss about the system activity log. So I hope that you support to the next session. So that's all for this morning. Thank you very much for continuous viewing this short video about the POS system.